Nato-torment kasi ako nung lagi akong kinukuhanan ng dugo. Meron ako needle free. Nung kinuhanan ako, 5 hindi lumalabas yung dugo. Actually hanggang ngayon nag-hematoma. 5. Tapos pero nakuhanan din. Pero I really prayed, sabi ko, I need to be brave. Sabi ko, Lord, I need to be brave because ikinlame ko, sabi ko, Lord, you're going to heal me. Nung kahapon, nagpunta ako, kinuusap ako ng cardiologist. Tapos diniscuss niya sa akin. I'm so happy, sabi sa akin, your ECG result is impeccable. And your kidney condition is very excellent. And your body has a condition of 20 to 25-year-old man. Sabi ko, I'm already 50. Sabi ko, yung verse ni Lord na alala ko, Nay, yung halos maiyak ako in front of me kasi, ba sabi niya, you will be renewed like an eagle. Yun yung nakanasa ko. Something surged in me nung sinabi niya gano'n. Tapos, yung parang nag-ano pa ako, nung nire-reveal niya sa akin yung results, ang sabi niya yung parang gusto ko matanong, Doctor, it's a prank. No, I never make a prank. It's really truth about you. Tapos, sabi niya, yung medication mo pala, tatanggalin na natin yung sa cholesterol dahil normal na. Nagtitake ako noon for almost 7 years. Tapos yung yung sa sa blood pressure ko, ini-claim ko din, mawala, pero awa ng Diyos, yung pinakamababa na binigay sa akin, 1 mg na lang, yung pinakamababa ko talaga. So, yung ngayon, I'm still claiming yung miracle na nagawa sa akin, and I want to give back all the praises and glory to the Lord. Yung sabi niya nga, di ba? If you delight the Lord, He will give the desires of your heart. It's really the desire of my heart to get well. And to God be the glory, honor, and praises. Doon sa pinatotoo ko. Kasi dito nangyari yung sa church natin. I want it to be the encouragement for others that God also produces a modern day miracle in my life. Kaya sa Diyos ko lahat binabalik ang kapurihan, kadakilan, at ang lahat ng glory sa Kanya. I wouldn't let this pass na hindi ko masabi to encourage others kasi I received a miracle from God. Amen.
Amen.